Alright guys, it's me, the Human Wither, back with another unboxing, and I'll make this quick because I have to go to sleep. I am not doing any test spins or battles with this one because, well, I got my brother this already and I've seen what it's like. So yeah, let's get right into it. So we got our Doom Sizer D3. Yeah. Looks really cool. And it's night, so yeah, let's do this. And look at the back. This is a little blue part on this there that'll shift back and forth, kinda. And then there's Hunter, just a narrow rubber tip. Attack 7, weight 6, burst 5, agility 3, defense 4, and stamina 1. A little stamina. And for whatever reason, Hasbro used a more plasticky kind of plastic or rubber on this tip. Usually they use a softer rubber, with more grip than that. So what's up with that, Hasbro? Oh yeah. And if any of you from Hasbro, people from Hasbro are watching this, why 8 to 13 on your tournaments? So many people who are old, who are outside of that age range, that would love to participate so much. You can't. So we got our, anyway, got our Switch Strike launcher. We got our Beyblade next to it. It's a little looser than my bro's. It slides a little more easily. We got 2 Vortex Hunter. We have Crusher Doom Sizer. Doom Sizer D3. Late night unboxing. Not really late, but yeah. See that blade shifting back and forth? I'm sorry for the poor camera quality. I don't have a choice. Yeah, this is nice and loose, actually. Not like Takaratomi loose, but looks pretty nice. Back code if you use the app. There it is. It's gone. Got our Grim Reaper right here. And then it's face. One hand down here, the other right there. On the side, handle of the scythe. We have this, which actually does most of the attacking, because this side is actually lighter. It's actually like this all the time. So it's, yeah, this side does all the attacking actually. I have looked into it. This side's heavier. And this one's, so my site's gonna be shifting a little more than my bro's. Let's get our disc and frame. Pull that out. Yeah, it's a nice shiny new disc. Oh yeah. So I'm assuming they powder coat these also to make these look all nice and shiny like this. And wow, is that hard to take off. Oh, no wonder. There's no edge there. It's not normally there. Yeah. Got our new nice blue vortex. Light blue translucent vortex. Then we have Hunter back here. As I said, it's like a more plasticky kind of rubber than usual. get our launcher out. Just got that. Nice left-right launcher. The ripcord is the tool for Legend Spryzen S3 and whatever the next Spryzen will be called. So, yeah. And I'm fine. It's late. I'm kind of tired. Let's put this together, by the way. Oh yeah, that feels like teeth. That feels like teeth. What do those loops look like on there? Oh yeah, those look nice. Those look alright. Yeah, if you can see those slight angles in there. That's like teeth, actually. It's crazy. And actually, I was looser locking than my Valtryek V2, which is interesting. And yet it bursts like everything in one hit. Here's our rules in that. Use the launcher, left and right. Re-out finish. Survivor finish and burst finish. 1, 1, 2. And a bunch of warnings and stuff. More advertising for the app. Battle tips, collect, customize, compete. Note, lock 2-part forge disc firmly into energy layer. Stoppers should reach the ends of the slots. Yeah, it's right there. Highlighted area. Set, oh yeah, yes. 2-part forge disc. Disc and frame, another tip. So yeah, that is a quick night or late night unboxing. Not really late, but yeah, I've got a looser shifting blade than my bro. This is like really tight. Mine's loose. Huh. Interesting. Anyway, yeah, here's that in the forward position. That was a side profile, right? Nice side profile of it. Looks super cool. It's what it'll look kind of like when it's rotating. Yeah, these big claws right here. There's some intense attack power. So yeah. That was the Doomsizer D3. Crusher Doomsizer. This is now my new partner for the moment. Until I find a good combo to use with it. Yeah. See you guys later. Blade on.